There is a great fight coming up between Dmitry Asanal and Roger the Kid Gutierrez. Roger the Kid Gutierrez is 5'9", 69.5 inches of reach. Fighting out of Maracaibo, Venezuela, he lost to Lucas Bagdi, Zura Abdullah, Otara Ranosian, and defeated Alan Ayala and Moises Flores. He's got a knockout power, but Asanal, having a record of 12-0, 5'9", fighting out of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. He was born in Molodechno, but he moved out to Belarus and he defeated Carlos Ramos, Laido Adi, Francesco Patera, Matias Rueda, Alexis Camejo, and in amateur circuit he did really well in Tokyo Olympics, and it was the best move since he moved out to Belarus. He progressed significantly and even defeated Robin Zamora and Ramiro Blanco. I think this is going to be over 6.5, and I'd give slight advantage to Asanao, but Venezuelan boxer isn't bad. Anything could happen.